Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. I'm Andreea, and in today's video I am going to recreate the look that Priyanka Chopra was wearing in this picture right here. I saw this makeup look on Mary Phillips' Instagram and I was so eager to recreate it because I loved the look. I thought that might look good on me as well. I was trying to recreate the hair. I don't know if I did a great job. However, this is the makeup look that I'm going to do in this video. Before I actually get into this makeup look, I just want to say that this is just an inspired look. Mary Phillips had a list with all the products that she was using for it, but unfortunately I only had one single product out of that list. So I just tried to create it with whatever I have. And this is just an example for you guys. Whenever you see a look, YouTube, Instagram, wherever, you don't have to get that exact same product. Just look at the color, look a little bit at the finish, and try to recreate it with whatever you have at home. I actually challenge you to recreate this look if you like it with whatever you have at home. Before we get into it, please make sure that you have subscribed to my YouTube channel. Click on the ring bell button so you'll be notified whenever I'm posting new videos. Now let's get into it. Do I look like Priyanka yet? Before I forget, I wanted to let you know that if you guys love the Cinco jewelries, the one that I've been wearing a lot lately, you have 15% off until February the 2nd. With this code, I'll put it in here. I got some new stuff from them. This beautiful necklace, these tiny little earrings. I love this one as well. It's very pretty. I have decided to do my hair approximately like Priyanka in that video, but I don't think I succeeded. I mean, you guys know I'm not really that strong with the hairstyle. I'm always having the same stuff. I'm gonna start with this Tarte Shape Tape Glow Wand. This is in the color A Light. And basically what this is, cream highlighter. So you could apply it wherever you want to highlight, wherever you want to have a little bit more shine. You could just spread it with your finger. Great product, I have to say. I love the sheen that it gives to the skin. Comparable with that Charlotte Tilbury Hollywood Flawless Filter, but it's lighter. So that one has even more sheen to it. This one is very, very light. Foundation, I'll use this Makeup Forever Reboot foundation. This is a new one in the Makeup Forever family. Very, very, very lightweight, very skin-like, very stretchy. Available, if I'm not mistaken, in 24 colors, which I think it's a good number of colors, and I'll explain why. I meet women every single day of my life telling me when there are too many foundations, I just can't pick. It's too overwhelming. I still can't find my shade. So the truth is, between 20 and 30 colors, I think that would be a good number. I will spread it with my fingers first. I am using a darker foundation than my skin tone. I'm aware of that. It's on purpose. I promise you at the end of this makeup, everything will come together nicely. Like I said, this is a super lightweight foundation. So amazing if you don't like the kind of foundation that is present on the skin. It does have coverage. I don't know if you can tell, but it does have quite good coverage. Next, I'm going to use this MAC Pro Face Palette Contour. This is great for contouring or bronzing. I'm using this brush from Sigma. This was part of a set that I got from Ulta. If I feel like the contour is too strong, then I always come with my foundation brush and just dab it. Next, I'm going to take the new Essential High Coverage Concealer pen from Jouer. This is like a pen. You press in here, the product comes out. I used it yesterday for the first time, and I like it. It's very hydrating. I'll take this Sigma E35 brush. It doesn't have a huge coverage, as you can see. This is great as a daytime concealer when you're not looking for a lot of coverage, or just for people who don't really need a lot of coverage. However, me right now, I want a little bit more coverage, and I'm going to use the original high coverage liquid concealer, the essential one from Jouer. And because I've got a self tan on and I want to get that bronzy look, I'm going to mix custard and dulce de leche. Sorry guys, I had to change that concealer. Just realized it's not what I want for this look. What I also want to achieve with the concealer is that slightly lighter under eyes. Moving on with blush, and I'm going to use this Torrid from NARS in combination with this Danielle Sandler watercolor liquid blush, because it looks like her blush is very much on the warm side. So the NARS one is Torrid, and then the Danielle Sandler is in Trip. I'm going to use this Rephr 04 brush. She's got quite a lot of blush, but it looks so beautiful and so fresh on her. Now I'm going to take my Laura Mercier translucent loose setting powder, tiny Sonia G mini cheek brush. I will set my makeup in place around the nose, under the eyes. The makeup looks pretty matte. I don't see any super shiny skin. Now, if your skin is incredibly oily and it bothers you, and if you want to stay matte the whole day, what you want to do is use a powder puff. Take some powder with the powder puff, press it into it, and I know that for some people that is like, oh my god, that's so much powder. But that is because you don't have oily skin. People who have oily skin, like, they hate their shine. And I can totally understand. I did my eyebrows off the camera and I was using actually 2 products because I wanted a more intense look. I was using the Anastasia Beverly Hills Brow Wiz in soft brown, and then I was using the Glossier Brow Flick. I'm going to use this Becca bronzer. This is in Capri Coast Rephr 05 brush. Now we're gonna move on with the eyes, and I can see that in the description of the video on the Mary Phillips, the makeup artist that created this look, there is a breakdown with the products, and the first thing that I see is the Pat McGrath Permagel Ultra Glide Eye Pencil in Black Coffee, which I happen to have as well. Don't get too excited, it's the only product that I have from that list. And I apply this product at the base of my lashes, in between them. Then I take a brush and slowly blend the pencil. It doesn't have to be perfect because we're going to come with eyeshadow on top anyway. And then on the lower lashes, I'm gonna use the exact same pencil. Then I'm going to again blend it. Same pencil. I don't think she did this, but I just want to intensify the crease with the same pencil. When you do it first with a pencil and then you come with an eyeshadow, it's just so beautiful in pictures. So I've applied it, and then with the brush, spread it. It's just a little something, you see. I'm going to take this palette from Pat McGrath and use this color right here. with the MAC 217 right at the outer corner and also in the crease. On the lower lash line as well. Then I take this Refer 02 brush and grab this color right here. Then I take this color right here. It's a beautiful golden eyeshadow and apply it with my finger in the inner corner and a little bit on the center of my eyelid. Then I'll take this Sigma F70 concealer brush and perfect this eyeshadow. Give it more of a shape right here. Then I'm taking this clean blending brush, MAC 217. Just blend the edges right here so it looks nice and clean. Getting into that brown matte shade one more time. Just to intensify this outer corner a little bit. Taking again that clean brush. Doing the same thing on the lower lashes. Pat McGrath pencil again and apply it at the base of my lashes, but this time very, very thin. This Marc Jacobs Glitter Bug. It's a brown pencil with a tiny little bit of glitter in it. And I will apply it on the waterline. And then also on the waterline, because I wanted something a little bit more glittery. I've taken this by Terry. This is the Ombre Black Star in the color for Bronze Medium. And apply this on top. Yes. On top of that pencil. I do what I can, guys, with whatever I have. Marc Jacobs Velvet Noir Mascara. Now, on the lips, I'm going to use this Victoria Beckham lip liner. This is in the color number 2. And I will overline my lip right here. Then I'm going to take this Bite Beauty pencil. This is in Honeyberry. Then I'm going to take this Bobbi Brown crushed oil infused gloss in the color Wild Card. I've applied some individual lashes from Ardell and took the hair clips off, but they still need to be here for a little bit. Priyanka, you're not easy. Highlighter, Laura Geller. This is in Gilded Honey. Very popular highlighter. And I don't have my usual brush. I'm going to use Morphe Y14. Now let me do my hair because it's driving me crazy, and I'll be right back. This is the final look. Hope you enjoyed it. It was so much fun to recreate this look. I love Priyanka. I think she's so beautiful. Let me know in the comments if you enjoyed this look, and you can also tell me what looks I should do next. Subscribe to my YouTube channel, click on the ring bell button. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you in my next video. Bye! You're not hungry when I'm hungry? What kind of husband are you? Why the little ones always cause troubles? Wait, what? Don't we all just love when the hair is in the way? No, we don't. We don't lose that. How lovely.